Hey everyone, welcome back. So if you're in the United States, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Otherwise, welcome back. And we're going to get into a couple of things here. We're going to look at Bitcoin, see what's going on there along with Ethereum. Bitcoin's down a little bit right now, but we're also going to take a look at, not the miners. Miners are closed today in the trading, at least in the United States. But we will take a look at two stories about Dilution, Digital, and Iris Energy. I just went through the SEC filings and found those two were recently reported. So we'll go over that, and that's it. We're going to call it an easy, light day. Okay, so as always, not financial advice. This is for entertainment only. Do your own research. I'm invested in coins and companies for full disclosure. And let's take a look at the markets right now. If you enjoy this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, helps me out tremendously. Okay, here we go. So here's Bitcoin right now. It's at 16,537. It's down 0.3% right now on the day, which isn't too bad. RSI is still kind of high. We're still looking more bearish than we are looking bullish at the current moment on the daily chart, and the 4-hour chart, and on the 1-hour chart as well. We are seeing the RSI coming down, but price is also coming down right now. So it's looking a little bit more bearish than it is bullish currently. Ethereum is at 1,195 right now. It's up 0.98% a little bit on the day. And let's take a look at the daily chart here. So that would be a third day in a row that we would be in the green. We still have about, 2.5 hours to go before that changes over to the next day. And it's looking the same way right now as Bitcoin. So looking a little bit more bearish than it is bullish. Okay, let's take a look at the network hash rate really quick. That has actually come down to 255 million terahashes per second, and that was a little bit lower than we were at 256 here a couple of days ago. So it is kind of bouncing off that line, which is obviously important for the miners. The lower the network hash rate goes, the ones that are still operating are going to be a little bit more profitable. So we'll see if this continues going down, or or if it's going to go back up. Basically, our miners shutting down at these prices, at the price of BTC, and with their electrical costs going high, are they shutting down right now? This chart will tell us that. Okay, so let's get into the two quick stories here that we got. This was filed just recently here in the last couple of days, and this is from Digital. So Digital is going to be, where did it go? Here it is. They're going to add 20 million more ordinary shares. So this prospectus relates to the sale by selling shareholder up to 20 million more ordinary shares. And let me see here. I'm not getting into all the details, but it's just another sign that we are seeing some dilution here. Digital is not in that bad of a shape. I wish I would have pulled up my spreadsheet on them. But from what I remember, they have actually pretty good financials right now. They're not a lot of debt and things like that. So this could be just a way for them to possibly grow a little bit more, which would be a good thing for them. And their shares are, let's take a look at their shares really quick here. Where are their shares? Digital right now is at 91 cents. So it's not too bad for them as far as cost or share prices right now. So 22 million shares, 20 million or 22 million shares. 20 million shares would be about 18 million or so for them right now, 19 million, somewhere around there that they could get for it, and then they could use that to buy possibly more miners. I haven't gotten into it too deep. Today's Thanksgiving, so if I spend too much time on this, my wife is going to kill me. Okay, so let's get into the next one here. So this one is from Iris Energy also. Iris is also going to be diluting. It looks like up to 25 million ordinary shares, and that is going to be, let me see, we are not selling. However, we may receive up to 100 million in aggregate gross proceeds from the holder under the purchase agreement in connection with the sale of our ordinary shares. So 100 million. And Iris Energy currently is trading at, what are they trading at? Iris at $1.68. So that would be pretty close. If price goes up a little bit higher, then they would get a little bit more from that as well. Okay, so they're going to be diluting a little bit. Iris, as we know, also is going to be returning 3.6 exahash of miners to their current lender of that. They basically defaulted on those, so they're going to be sending those back. They do have some miners coming in also, getting them up to about 1.2, I think, if my memory serves me correctly right now, and possibly get a little bit higher if this goes through. So this would help them out as well. So that is it. Just a little dilution that we're seeing here right now. Probably not a bad time to, well, I mean, the share prices are so low, it's probably a bad time to do it, but it's good that they're going to be trying to grow a little bit, especially with Bitcoin miners. The ASIC miners are pretty low cost right now. About $15, depending on which one you're looking at for the S19s. The XPs are a little bit higher, probably around $35, $40 per terahash. So it might not be a bad time to get those miners ordered, possibly get them in before the next bull run, so that way you are able to recoup on those relatively quickly here. So that's my only thinking on this. If you guys have any other ideas on this, and I'll read some more into this tomorrow, see if there's anything else that's eye dropping or something like that. We'll get into it in another video, but right now I just wanted to point this out really quick and get it out there to you guys so you guys are aware of it. And that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving in the United States if you are celebrating it. Also, I wanted to just take the time to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed in the last year. We've seen huge growth here in the channel, which I can't even believe it. So thank you to everyone that has subscribed, everyone that has commented. All the comments are great. I love hearing from you guys, so thank you for that. And I'm hoping to have another great year with you guys here, hoping to grow the channel, hoping to get some more information for you guys. So it should be fun. I'm enjoying it. I hope you guys are enjoying it. So that is it. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, helps me out tremendously. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next one.